Hi guys, my name is Philip Nguyen, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about number 2 on our SPL homework assignment number 2. The question tells us to basically find a advanced input device used for information systems, and it tells us not to find a keyboard, mouse, or touchpad. And also it tells us to describe how the input device that we found would be used in the business world. So an example I found of an input device for information systems was actually a gamepad, specifically controllers and joysticks. So a gamepad is really easy actually. It's a device that's designed to be connected to a computer or specifically video game consoles, and you would be able to interact with the characters or designs of the system. So gamepads are mainly used for game consoles, really, but they could also be connected via micro USB cord to a gaming console. So something similar like this is currently actually connected to my PS4 right now. And gamepads have multiple buttons. Really, they're specifically gamepads are kind of named controllers, which is again this is actually a PS4 controller, and the controller comes with multiple buttons and like layouts and sticks. So there's buttons such as X, circle, triangle, square, touchpad button, and then there's joysticks and more other buttons on the controller for just to use for moving around, maneuvering characters and designs. And then also you could use this controller to like play all sorts of types of video games such as sports, first-person shooters, platformers, fighting games, and honestly so many more. So gamepads, their usage in the business world is actually specifically only targeted to like the gaming industry side of business. So really, companies use gamepads and controllers to develop new video games and even test them. So they use these to like, move around. And here, let me just show you. So I currently have a game on right now, and it is actually this game. So as you can see, when I move around, I'm moving my character around, and it's honestly, it has something to do with a lot of the coding in the game. And then when I just click attack right here, oh, not that, sorry. When I just click attack, which is square, it attacks the character and it moves my character around too. And that's the main gist of just using this controller, so that it's easier accessible and you could like, move the characters around and jump, all that fun stuff. And then this, you could like, this is the main user interface of a PS4. Like you could just move around, see all the system settings, all the stuff, all the applications that you can start up. Just by using this controller, you just move the joystick around and you see all these good stuff. So, to be honest, people like developers and in the business world, the creators and production, they make these type of controllers really less complicated, so that the consumers can, work their way around it with no problem, which makes them want to buy it because they want to boost their gaming experience or boost their experience with like just moving around user interface on a computer and a lot of other stuff. And whenever customers buy these, it benefits companies a lot because word gets out, and then a lot of people start wanting these controllers even more, and that just boosts revenue for the overall business itself. And that's basically it. Thank you.